by Branham. Subs coming for the Spurs. They've already put in Cedi Osman.
Long screen follows his guard to the rim.
Spurs by 20, their largest lead. Remember, they trailed by 20 in the fourth against the Lakers on Wednesday. Graham, too hard off the window. Hachimura with a rebound. Devontae giving chase. Give it back to Reeves for three. Spurs poke it out, right to Reeves, unfortunately. James with 6 points, 2 rebounds so far. Underneath, blocked by Sohan, and Cedi is fouled. Hachimura, the first 7 to start that rule. There's been discussion about that over the years with international players. Forward counting here in the second. Spurs got to maintain their intensity after jumping out to this big lead. Hachimura, the miss, long rebound. Hachimura, oh, the left-hand dunk. Low by McDermott. On to Prince, whether the corner Hachimura. 9 on the shot clock inside. And Wood found the losing cause for the Lakers as the Spurs trying to snap that 18-game losing streak inside. Hachimura over Sohan with a strong with 8:10 remaining here in the third quarter. Hachimura against Vassell, again power move, and draws Anthony Davis, who is out tonight. And he preceded that with 41 against the in-season tournament final against it. But that last one gives him double figures in 5 of 6 with his 10th point. And an and one for Hachimura.
2 of our guys, and again, LeBron James advancing the basketball. He's got a man underneath with an advantage, and our guys get caught reaching.
Wednesday gets the 3-point play. Collins faked it to him. Keldon looking for an opening. Hachimura over Keldon.
Solid defense all the way around. Got a couple errant 3 balls. Those aren't dropping. Take the ball inside. Make something work for you.
Hachimura fires. Hachimura's headed his way. Oh, the block for the foul.
It looked like he stumbled. Yeah, a little bit of contact. That's enough where you don't
leave from the free throw line. Osman on the attack, can't get it to fall.
You just never give Victor time enough to set up. He's starting to set up, you swing the ball to the opposite side of the floor.
Hachimura misses the step shot. Oh. 92. James spins it inside. Hachimura. Enough wherewithal to Osman off the bounce. LeBron, easy pass inside, and Hachimura